Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind that what you're about to see reflects my personal experience using this product or service. Today, we're diving into Steezy Studio, found at steezy.co. This platform promises to elevate your dance game, no matter your skill level. They offer a diverse range of dance styles from hip-hop and popping to house and breaking, all taught by experienced and passionate instructors. The learning experience is designed to be interactive and engaging, with detailed breakdowns of each move, allowing you to learn at your own pace. Steezy Studio utilizes a unique follow-along video format, making it feel like you're in a real dance studio. You can control the playback speed, rewind tricky sections, and even rotate the camera for a 360-degree view of the choreography. This platform boasts a structured curriculum, allowing you to progress through different skill levels within each dance style. They've gamified the learning process with features like progress tracking and challenges, which can help keep you motivated. Steezy Studio understands that not everyone learns in the same way. Therefore, they offer classes in different formats, including single tutorials, full-length routines, and even programs designed to help you achieve specific dance goals. Beyond just learning routines, they also delve into the fundamentals of each style, covering topics like musicality, technique, and freestyle. This allows you to develop a deeper understanding of dance and express yourself more authentically. Steezy Studio recognizes the importance of community and provides a platform for dancers to connect, share their progress, and support each other. Whether you're a complete beginner taking your first steps or an experienced dancer looking to refine your skills, Steezy Studio aims to provide the tools and resources you need to succeed. They regularly update their content with new classes and styles, ensuring there's always something fresh to learn. For those who prefer to learn on the go, Steezy Studio is also available as a mobile app, allowing you to practice anytime, anywhere. If you're serious about improving your dance skills and are looking for a comprehensive and engaging learning platform, then Steezy Studio is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to check the description for all the links mentioned, and thank you for watching.